Good morning, dear students. In the land of ice and snows chapter, so far we studied meaning of polar region or the thunder region. It is the region lying in the northern and the southern freeze zone, are also known as polar region and thunder region. And Greenland, where lies in the freeze zone of northern hemisphere, it is the world's largest highland country, and its capital is Nuuk. And almost 80% of the Greenland remains covered with snow and ice throughout the year that we studied. Next, vegetation due to extreme cold climate, only during summer months that we can see some short grasses, shrubs, plants, lichens, mosses, right? Then coming to the wildlife, polar bears, muskaskan, foxes, huskies are familiar in this region. Seabirds, gulls, puffins, petrels are the birds which we can see. And coming to the today's topic, that is economy and life of people and changing lifestyle. Generally, the economy and the life of people, how they are in the Greenland, we will see today. So, economy. The term economy is nothing but the total production and distribution of goods and service in a year, in one financial year of a country. So, what they generally carry out their economic activities in order to earn the income. So, in the Greenland, fishing is a major industry of Greenland. So a group of factories, we call it as a industry. Suppose cement industry, steel industries, all those industries. So more than 100 or 200 group of factories, we call it as one industry. So like that, fishing is a major industry, and they also carry out the agriculture and sheep rearing, domestication of animals, and a growing of crops in the which part southwestern coast of Greenland. So fishing is the major occupation and as well as the major business over there, and agriculture and along with the agriculture and sheep rearing, that is domestication of animals and growing of crops. And Greenland is also rich in minerals, that is natural minerals like iron ore, manganese, bauxite, lead, zinc, all those things, which leads to mining and export of these minerals also. By this they earn money. So, and they sell these minerals for as a raw materials, and when the raw material is being exported to other country, they manufacture it, they process it, and they make into certain finished products. Again, they might export it to other countries. So here we should find the lead and zinc in the Greenland. These are the two minerals which we are going to find in the Greenland highland country, and these minerals also exported to other parts of the world, as I said before. So fishing, agriculture and sheep rearing is the common activities which is carried out by the Greenland highland, and lead and zinc are the minerals which they are extract from the in this Greenland highland, and they export it to other countries. So as a result which they get income. This is the economic status of the Greenland highland country. And now coming to the life of the people, how the people are look like in this region, and what they used to wear like clothes, and what they will have in this region, we'll see now. And generally they are called Inuits, original inhabitants of the Greenland, that is people who are lived here for a long period of time. Inhabitants means the people is nothing but what, it's a place where it is suitable for the people to live in this, and they are people who are lived originally from the earlier days, past history. Historically they have born and brought up, and they have lived in this region for a longer period of time. They are called Inuits or Eskimos. And they are how they look like, they are very short and stout people with yellow colored skin. Their skin will be yellow. And what do they wear generally? They wear long leather shoes, mittens. Mittens is nothing but gloves for the hands, and double set of trousers and coat which they use. Because of this, land is of made up of what? Ice and snow. In order to cover up from that, they generally wear leather shoes, mittens or the gloves, and double sets of trousers and coat called parka, made up of animal fur or the animal skin or the animal skins. Generally, they use to warm up their body temperature. And insects do not have permanent houses. So in winter, where they live generally? So they live in the houses which are made up of snow, and the houses which are made up of snow with a single opening are called igloos. So what do you mean by igloos? Igloos are dome shaped houses with a single opening.